We have a flight from the Psycho. So I'm gonna do a little edit and show you the first flight. I didn't talk. I got like recording on HD0 goggles, which is nice, and I have this, but I didn't talk at all. I just flew. So I'll do a little music edit, and then we're gonna see if this, I just want to see how stable it is. Like when it drops, if it flips out or something, or is it steady? Does it dive nice and straight? Because now
it's terrific, right? I'm in heaven.
Because I never had that before.
we have two options. We have the 2-inch, 2mm frame. So this is very light, and this has the HD0 in it, but I'm going to make the analog one very soon. But I've also designed a new one, the Squished X, which is basically the same as the Caillou Mini. It's a little bit lighter, a little bit thicker arms, and it takes 2.5. This would just about take 2.5, but it gets in the way. But I'm thinking the analog version will be able to take 2.5. It's a different feel also. So this is kind of like really light and zippy, whereas the Caillou Mini kind of one is more hefty. It's basically the same thing, except like these motors are little Whoop motors that weigh like, I don't know, nothing. And the 2.5-inch ones uses motors that have the 9mm mounting. We have a 3mm carbon plate, so everything is just heavier, but it's still powered off the same battery. So I would guess that you would have less flight time with the other one, but maybe more fling, whereas this one might not have as much weight for flinging around and making it feel like a freestyle drone, but it's super fun, and it gives you a lot of confidence because you just feel like you can do anything with it. I just want to see when it dives, if it can just go straight down steadily or what's going to happen. I haven't really tested the dive. Let's see how it dives. That's all I love doing the most anyways. God, it's freezing. Air's really mad at me. I sent everyone their packages, so you guys are all going to get your stuff if you ordered it. 6 packages. And like one of them, I sent somebody a radio and it had a lipo in it, so I had to take it out, and Ariel's still mad at me. So we're at her parents' house, and we're gonna do these dives, and she literally just like, she drove away from me kind of like mad and mean-faced, and she said, "I hope you lose your drone." That's what she said. And we're not gonna lose our drone. We're gonna go for a nice little rippy rip. Nothing bad's gonna happen. Everything's gonna be great. The funny thing is, I think these things are so weak they can't even like cut the they can't even cut the wire. I still need to bloody put the name on this thing. Let me just make sure I got this thing. Yeah, that's recording. Oh, it's cold. It's pretty cold. The props are not the prettiest right now. Okay, let's go. Can we make it to the top of the building? Yeah, how smooth does she dive? Because sometimes I like doing my spins and then people are like, that's not diving. Yeah, she dives straight. Woo! Okay, yeah, she dives nice. She dives so nice. Okay. Oh, it's cold, man. It's bloody cold. And the battery is dying. And we're going up and over. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, that's how I like to dive. I like doing these twisties. She flies really nice, and it's freezing cold. Woo! Let's go! Let's go the other way. I don't usually turn this way. I turn the other way. Yeah, whoa! Last minute save. Let's just do a little bit of this stuff. Let's see if we lose our video going under here. No, we don't. Can we get over it? Almost. Oh, there's people. We don't want to mess around with the people. Oh, little somebody with their dog. Oh. Yeah. Flies so good. It actually flies so good. Happy. Woo! Perfection! Yeah, if you go nice and gentle, it goes quite a bit. You can hear the props, though. The props don't sound very good. Oh, I want to do it. I want to do it. I want to do it. Yeah, sorry. I'll get you and your little dog, too. I want to do it. Let's do it. We can do it. Let's get a bit of momentum going. Power loop. Here we come. Power it. Yes. Ah, come on. I can do it. I can do it. Here we go. Another person. Doesn't matter. 1, 2, to the moon. Yeah, we did it. Woo. It's a great victory. The little thing is fun. And you want one. Everybody wants one. Yeah. What? Freezing. Oh, this was great. This was really great. Wonderful. Look at that sunset. Whew. Oh no. Ain't nothing but a chicken wing. Woo. Freezing. I'm freezing. Oh, yeah, okay. Oh. Oh, no, that's not a good sound. Okay, whatever. It rips. We like it. We like it. It rips. Woo! Passes the test. Dives beautifully. Flies beautifully. It's great. You want one. And it's so cute. Because I'm just like, it's ripping. Oh, no. And then, of course, I bloody cut it a bit. I chopped it up just a little. Just a little. That was like 3 minutes. So like fun time. So in the freezing cold. So in the summertime, I'm sure we get like probably 4 or 5 minutes of ripping. Pretty fun.